Hurricane Fran. Hurricane Fran made landfall at Cape Fear, North Carolina on September 5th, 1996. It was a Category 3 hurricane when it made landfall at Cape Fear. It had 115-mile-per-hour winds. It developed from a warm front that came off the coast of Africa on August 22nd, 1996. It was declared a tropical depression on August 23rd as it crossed the Atlantic, gaining power and strength. It was the fourth largest, it was the sixth largest, it was one of six large hurricanes that hit North Carolina between 1993 and 1999, and it was the second most powerful of the six. This affected Earth's hydrosphere. It caused pollution due to overflowing of hog lagoons. This release of nitrogen into wells, groundwater, streams, and other bodies of water caused pollution that affected them, fish populations, and other resources that utilize these waters. It impacted $7.2 million worth of damage to property and natural resources such as agriculture and timber resources. Strong winds and flooding damaged crops and the timber reserves that had been saved. 37 lives were lost, 24 in the areas of North Carolina. Losses of tourism dollars came, such as due to visitor losses. Damaged piers and campgrounds also occurred. Fish farms and other farming practices that utilize North Carolina's coast were also damaged. Loss of fish as well as lost as property used to maintain them was great. Lasting effects from Hurricane Fran, some of them are earlier and more stricter evacuation orders. Areas such as Brunswick County, having an extreme increase of population now, is less lenient of allowing people to stay in these areas due to large amounts of life loss that would happen from them. There's also been more construction of barricades and seawalls in these areas that are known to be subject to flooding and sea swells. There's also been improved farming regulations that allows hog farmers to use more of their lagoon waste, which is high in nitrogen, on fields and other areas to be a resource. That way they're not sitting there just waiting to be overfilled, which will lead them to flooding, cause them to flood, and release their harmful toxins into the natural water sphere. Thank you very much.